The Great Elephant Gathering at Min area is the largest gathering of Asian elephants in the world. It's a seasonal event that starts somewhere around the middle of May and goes on till the middle to end of October.
We saw maybe about 150 Asian elephants. We've never had this kind of experience in the world ever before.
I'm really hopeful that by the time we go to August, September, we would have reached the height of the gathering and we might see between 350 to 400 elephants.